In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Spotify app keep stopping error on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if your Spotify suddenly stops when you try to use it, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you want to troubleshoot your Spotify app. To do this, go to settings on your phone, and from settings, look for apps. Now under apps, go to manage apps or all apps, and this will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, look for Spotify, and if I tap on it, now here you want to go to force stop app and OK. This will stop any background activity that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data down below and choose clear cache and OK, and finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone, and if you go to your Spotify app, this time around you'll be required to log in for you to be able to use your Spotify. In most cases, this will be able to fix your issues. However, if your Spotify app still keeps stopping, then check in and see if you have any VPN app turned on, turn it off, or if you have any recently installed app, you may want to uninstall it and see if that fixes your problem. But should this not work, then you want to check in and see if you have any update for your Spotify app through Google Play Store or App Store, and then update your app to the latest version. So as you can see, my Spotify app is here and I don't have an update, but should you have one, go ahead and update your app. Now in most cases, even after updating app, you may still find issues with your Spotify music and podcast app where it keeps crashing. For that, it means that your app contains bugs. For that case, you'll need to uninstall your app to clear all bugs that might be associated with this app and then install it afresh. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.